Hey guys, welcome back to another recipe. Today we're making portobello stuffed mushrooms. They are so yummy. I'm making with two kinds of stuffing. I have my spanakopita stuffing from before, and I'm making another stuffing, so let's get to it. For this recipe we need portobello mushrooms, 2 large diced onions, fresh tomato sauce, grated mozzarella cheese, feta and spinach mix, lean ground veal, melted butter, turmeric, cumin, black pepper, salt, and minced garlic. So before anything, we're gonna wash our mushrooms. So we got our oven at the back and it's preheated at 450 Fahrenheit, and we're going to take the stem out from the mushrooms. So for me, the easiest way is to have a spoon and just very gently, you don't want to damage your mushroom, slowly just get rid of the stem and make space for our stuffing. So we just want our mushrooms to look like this one, and we're gonna go continue with the rest. So these are done and they are clean. What I'm gonna do, put it aside and spice up my butter. I'm adding some black pepper, some salt to taste. We're going to grease our pan first, lightly. So we're just gonna brush the pan, spread the oil everywhere. Then we place the mushrooms here. So I added some my favorite Italian seasoning as well, and give it a little mix. And we're going to brush it down. And as well, we're gonna grease up the other side, the opposite side. So we're just gonna brush. So as you can see, we buttered both sides, and also we're going to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your mushroom size. The goal is to get rid of the water, and by roasting just the mushrooms alone, we're doing that. Now we're going to make the meat stuffing. We're starting by oil, as per usual, on high heat. So we added our veal. Now we're going to add our spices. Turmeric, salt to taste, black pepper, cumin, and my favorite, garlic. As you can notice, the meat is brown and we cook it for 3 minutes. And now it's time to add the onions. Probably I won't add all of it, so it's about 1 onion and a half. And we're gonna cook this for maybe another 5 minutes. Now our stuffing is ready, and we're going to drain the meat to get rid of the excess water. So for my meat lovers, I got the meat stuffing. For my vegetarian friends, I got the feta cheese and the spinach. And we're gonna top it up with some fresh tomato sauce with some good basil in it and some cheese. For this fresh tomato sauce, I already have a video online and I'm just gonna link it. For this stuffing too, I have a video online. I'm just gonna link it. I always like to make my stuffings a bit extra so I can freeze the rest. So this is for our meat lovers. With some extra onion there. I like to keep it simple and create more simple recipes as well. So now we're adding the fresh tomato sauce on the meat. We're gonna chop some cherry tomatoes to top up our Portobello mushrooms. So these are ready, as you can see, and we are going to boil them for about 5 minutes, and we make sure that we have our eyes on it. And they look so pretty. So let's check this out. Ooh. Wow, they look amazing. Beautiful. These look so fancy and I really love the look. So I basically top it out with some basil. I love the smell of basil, it's so fresh. The cheese is melted, softened, and I cannot wait to eat this. Let's try this out. It's really good. It's amazing. Wow. The mushroom is really soft and buttery. The cheese is just like melted and so tasty. The stuffing, the spinach, the feta cheese, everything is on point. I hope you guys all enjoy it. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and like my videos. Don't forget to share with all your friends and family. Until next time, bye-bye. So far, the vegetarian is really my favorite. And I'm just gonna try the meat, see if I like this one as well. I'm trying to cut a small bite because it's gonna be too messy for me. So this is the meat. This one is really good. Now I'm confused. I'm like, which one I like the most? But I like the veggie more.